and why even the greatest minds of our country understand that Krishna is the Sarathi of this country, of this land, of this bhumi. So I will finish in the next 5 minutes by giving you Thora Hatke Googly. We all grow up hearing the song Jana Gana Mana Yadhi. Now some people say that Rabindranath Tagore wrote this song for George V. But the fact is, Rabindranath Tagore was accused of writing that for George V, and he wrote several letters saying, I couldn't have written such a song for George IV, V, VI, or any George for that matter. He said, I wrote this song for the eternal charioteer of Bharat. Did you know this? Okay, this is why this is a Sunday morning lecture. The song consists of 5 stanzas. In the 3rd stanza of the song, the poet Rabindranath Tagore, who was the first Nobel laureate of Asia, says, He chiro sharathi tabo ratha chakre mukharito patho dino ratri daruno biplavo majhe tabo shankhadhani baje shankata dukkho trata Janagana pathapari chayaka jaya he bharata bhagya vidhata jaya he jaya he jaya 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 he. Okay, I'm going to translate for those who don't understand Bangla. He chira sarathi, O eternal charioteer, tabo ratha chakre mukharita pathodino ratri. The wheels of your chariot make this land and its people go forward. Daruno biplava majhe, in the midst of the biggest battlefield, taba shankhadhani baje, your conch shell reverberates. Shankato dukkho trata, and you save your devotees from danger and distress. Janagana pathapari chayaka jaya he bharato bhagya vidhata. O Lord of India's destiny, you show us the path forward. So Bharat ka chirasarathi kaun hai? ये सबको अच्छा नहीं लगता, हाँ? Now you know. Huh? And the first verse basically says, the people of India, from Punjab, Sindh, Gujarat, Maratha, Dravida, Utkala, Banga, Vindhya, Himachal,